Hello, students. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying the lesson. Today, we are going to learn some new topics in English grammar. Today, we'll see what are verbs. Verb. What are verb? Verb means the action words that tells what we are doing. Verbs are the action words that tells what we are doing. A verb is a word that shows the action. Means verb shows the action that we are doing. For example, jumping girl means how the girl is doing the action of jumping. The baby sleeps means the action done by a baby. A man eats a burger. Here, a man doing the action of eating a burger. So, the verb jumping, sleeps, and eats are the action words. So, verbs are doing or action words. Drive, walk, talk, jump, write, read, run, swim are some of the words which are called as verbs. Here are some actions that the children are doing. Nap or run, ride, read, and jump. These are some of the verbs. So, we'll see some more verbs. Run, sing, cook, laugh, read, jump, dance, pull, hop, draw, switch on are some of the words which are called as verbs. Now we'll see what are helping verbs. Helping verbs are the verbs which are helping the main verbs, and when the main verbs are added with helping verbs to complete the sentence. Am, it is used with the subject I. Is used with he or she or it. That means singular noun. R is used with plural noun. Then was, past tense of singular noun, and were, past tense of plural noun. Then have for plural noun, has and had for singular noun. Then shall, singular, will, should, would are used as helping verbs. Here are some more verbs which are used as helping verbs. Be, being, been. Do, does, did. May, might, must, can, and could. These are the verbs which are called as helping verbs, and they are used with the main verbs. Here are some more verbs that are called as auxiliary verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, will, has, have, held, do, does, did. So, helping verbs are also called as auxiliary verbs. Now we'll see what are contractions. A contraction is a shorter way to say two words. Means when we are joining the two words, we have to remove some of the word from the other word. That is the contraction. And in place of the word, we have to use an apostrophe. and that is the missing letter. In the space of the missing letter, we have to add an apostrophe and then the remaining words. Now we'll see with the example. Here we are adding is plus not and it becomes isn't. So after n, O is removed and in place of O, that is the missing letter, we are adding an apostrophe to complete the word. So here we can see with the other words. I plus am, am. You plus have, you. We plus are, were. It plus is, its. She plus will, she'll. And did plus not, didn't. He plus is, his. Do plus not, don't. You plus would, you'd. They plus are, there. So these are the words which are added to make it as a contraction. Now we'll see how these contractions are formed. You will have fun. So we can write you apostrophe double L. You will have fun. We did not kick it. We didn't. D-I-D-N apostrophe T. We didn't kick it. So in place of did not, didn't is used as a contraction. We are in class. Here we are, we apostrophe re is used. That is not a frog. Is not becomes isn't. She is, she's, then I have, I've. In this way, the words are cutted to make it a contraction. The common rules of contractions are when the second word is not, then apostrophe takes the place of O, and if the second word is apostrophe takes the place of I, and if the second word is R, apostrophe takes the place of A. If the second place is have, apostrophe takes the place of HA, and if the second word is will, apostrophe takes the place of W and I. These are the rules of contractions. Now we'll see the full forms of the contraction. IV means I have. UV means you have. He is means he has. She is, she has. It has. We have. So these are the words that are combined to make the contractions. Now we'll see contractions with not. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, do not, don't, could not, couldn't, would not, wouldn't, does not, doesn't, will not, won't, should not, shouldn't, has not, hasn't, were not, weren't, and had not, hadn't. These are contractions with not. So we learn contraction with not are, aren't, can't, could not, couldn't, do not, don't, have not, haven't, he is, his, here is, here's. I am, I have, then I will, it's, it will, then must not, mustn't, then they are, and so on. When we have contraction with will and shall, we are using an apostrophe and double L. he will, he'll, then he shall, I will, I shall, then they will, we'll, who'll, you, apostrophe double L, what, apostrophe double L. In this way, we are adding contractions will and shall with the words. When we are having contractions with have and has, we are using apostrophe and the last two words have, ve, and for has only s. Whereas for had, we are using only d. So when you are having contraction with have, has or had, we are using last words apostrophe and last two words ve or s or d to make it contractions. So today we learn about contractions, that is the combining or join words.